Prove that the product of the perpendicular distances from any point on the hyperbola to its asymptotus is constant. Now this is a given question. Given the product of the perpendicular distances from any point on the hyperbola to its asymptotus is constant. Product of the perpendicular distances. First we have to find the perpendicular distances from any point on the hyperbola to its asymptotus, and then we take the product of the perpendicular distances. Now we want to show that that value is equals to constant. So first we take the equation of the hyperbola. Equation of hyperbola is x square by a square minus y square by b square is equals to 1. Next we take the equations of asymptotus to this equation. Equations of asymptotus are: first equation is x by a plus y by b is equals to 0, and the second equation is x by a minus y by b equals to 0. Next we take any point on the hyperbola. Let p is equals to x1 y1 be any point on the hyperbola. Since it is a point on the hyperbola, the point satisfies the equation, that is x1 square by a square minus y1 square by b square is equals to 1. Next we take the perpendicular distances from x1 y1 to the first equation and from x1 y1 to the second equation. P1 is equals to perpendicular distance from x1 y1 to the first equation. From x1 y1 to x by a plus y by b equals to 0. That is equals to under modulus x1 by a plus y1 by b by square root of 1 by a square plus 1 by b square. Square root of a square plus b square, x quotient whole square plus y quotient whole square. This is the value of P1. Next finding the value of P2. P2 is equals to perpendicular distance from x1 y1 to the second equation, and this is equals to under modulus x1 by a minus y1 by b by square root of 1 by a square plus 1 by b square. Now what we want? Product of the perpendicular distances, that is P1 into P2. Now we are taking the product of these two values. So P1 into P2 is equals to first value P1 value x1 by a plus y1 by b by square root of 1 by a square plus 1 by b square into P2 value under modulus x1 by a minus y1 by b by square root of 1 by a square plus 1 by b square. Now this is in the form of a plus b into a minus b, that is a square minus b square. X1 by a whole square minus y1 by b whole square by root 1 by a square plus 1 by b square into root 1 by a square plus 1 by b square, that is 1 by a square plus 1 by b square. And this is equals to x1 square by a square minus y1 square by b square by taking LCM we get a square plus b square by a square b square. And what is the value of x1 square by a square minus y1 square by b square? This is nothing but 1. 1 by, since the point x1 y1 lies on the hyperbola, so x1 square by a square minus y1 square by b square equals to 1. So 1 by a square plus b square by a square, and this is equals to a square b square by a square plus b square, which is the constant. Therefore product of the perpendiculars from point on the hyperbola to its asymptotus is constant. That's all.